Hey folks, it's been a moment since I made a video. It's gonna be a non-edited, just kind of a rundown of what's been going on. Um, 2022 has been a year. Been dealing with a lot of kind of out of the norm things. Um, it started off pretty well. Had a lot of plans going on, and the summer came around. I stepped on a nail, and finally dealing with well, be truthful, mental health stuff. So, but I wanted to show you what's been going on. We're actually, my wife and I were in the process of hopefully buying this place. So hopefully Collins Custom Services will have a shop in the near future. But got some new toys here, getting rid of some old toys. Figured I'd do a quick video, kind of a update. Not that anybody watches this channel, but maybe someday they will. And maybe someday my kids or grandkids will want to take a look, and it's kind of what it's all for. I know I'm not going to get popular at this, but anyways, I'm going to switch you around. So first off, I don't know if anybody's seen the Collins Custom signs here on YouTube, but homemade weed whacker. That weed whacker actually runs too. So I obtained this 94 XT 600. That's getting sold tonight. Has a no spark issue. Not something I really want to dig into. So that's heading on down the road this evening. This is another little toy. I did some work on a push mower and took $50 off the bill, and hauled this home. I checked, it's got no spark. It does turn over. It's got what I believe is a little bit low compression. I think it would run, but it was one of those things I was just hoping to flip, maybe triple my money, or double to triple my money. I was hoping. So maybe even quadruple it. I don't know. I put it out there for 300 or best offer. It's a hydrostatic. Everything is freed up. So it could be a good project for somebody. But so I'm trying to move this one along. It's in pretty good condition. The Boland's big frame, which has, I believe, been in past videos on here. I think I'm moving it on down the road. I got it to start earlier. I'm waiting for my battery pack to charge up so I can give it another go. But I think I'm sending her down the road. I just don't really have the same interest as I once did. It's hydrostatic, which I like it, but it's not really what I want. If I'm gonna have a big tractor with implements, I want probably something diesel, with a loader or a backhoe or something, which you could get for this, but they're pricey. Parts are hard to get. This Wisconsin, with the Wisconsin that's in this, it's hard to get parts for it. It's in pretty good shape, so I think I'm just gonna pass it along to somebody who loves it a little more than I. This is my current project I'm super excited about. It's a Craftsman. I don't even know what you call it. I'm not good at names. There's my buddy Neil Greenleaf, redneck computer geek. He's better at this stuff than I am, as far as IDing it. But it's a Sears. It's got the high-low. It's a 3-speed. It's been mud mowered. Somebody threw four-wheeler tires on it and stuff, but I got it because I wanted to give my four-wheeler a break this winter. It was kind of enticing part of a deal, so I got it. And so I didn't have a seat on it, so I took the nice seat off from a Gilson that I have over here. and just installed that. I just made a mount for the plow. This plow's off from my Honda four-wheeler. Basically, I just took the back end to a frame that I had, and I cut the lips off so nothing was hanging down. Just drilled a couple holes, and I welded some mounts right there. Nice beautiful welds there, you can see. I think it's gonna work. I think that's gonna be good. And the only reason why I did it this way is to also double as kind of like a skid plate when it's off. But then I was thinking, these hang down, so I'll probably end up just taking them off if I do, want to go out on the trails. But I mean, there's some pretty good ground clearance between there and those mounts. It's got the Kenda executioners on the back, 26-inch by 12. Plenty of tread. But I got some stock rims with some nice tire chains I think I'm going to throw on it for when I plow this winter. But the winch setup, it all works good. Very works great. So super happy with that. This wheel or logging arch works great for hauling out dead mowers. What do we got for projects? This is LT 150 that I got for free. That's my lawnmower now. I just fixed up this weed eater. It's about as old as I am. For one of my neighbors. Got that all fixed. Trying my hand at plastic welding. This is just kind of a rough go. I think I'm gonna go back and just kind of add some to make it look better, but save this miter saw. Now that works good. I got that up for sale. Got the CCS work truck. We traded the Sierra for this, and I've done some body work and a little paint. Done a bunch of, put some tires on it, did some brake job, front end work, got the four-wheel drive working. Got to do some more paint. I'm gonna do the tailgate and stuff. But it's been a great truck. I really like it. So the only thing I'm worried about with it is these have timing issues, so may end up having to deal with that. I got all kinds of junk. I showed up, I had to go haul off a bunch the other day. I've been out here just kind of picking away at it. This Gilson was something I was gonna try to save, but I think that's gonna end up getting parted out. I've been thinking about trying to do an eBay account, but man, I just don't know. I think I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try to see what the shipping and stuff entails, what I gotta do. Boxing this stuff up, it's actually friggin' worth it. But I mean, I got this Gilson here. I know people would want parts. I mean, it's in like perfect shape. Other parts that I end up with, the Agway kind of took us, it's just kind of sitting off to the side now. Unfortunately, I robbed a bunch of parts off from the engine, so it's just kind of sitting here. Not really sure what the plan is with it, or what even I wanted to do with it in the first place. I kind of wanted to get it going for doing the tractor pulls at the Union Fair, but they didn't have the tractor pulls this year, so now I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. It's a cool project. Might get interested in it. Probably just set it off to the side for now and cover it up and maybe get motivated sometime later on. I did tear the old Sears 67 Sears Suburban apart. This is probably going to need a lot of work. The rear end seems to be kind of seized up, so I got to take that apart. You may, for anybody that follows Redneck Computer Geek, he did the 2 GX 160s on there. That's one of them. We did some trading. It's going to throw that on here, but I got other options as far as engines go. So, but I mocked that up on there. That would work perfect to get it going. So that may be what I do. I did get rid of some scrap, which is great. Not much going on in the shop. It's super slow right now. Don't have anything really going on. I had that chainsaw, I got that going. That's about it. Pulled a trans for what we call Jason my mower. And so I'm waiting for my torches, my tanks to get replaced, because I got to take the sprockets off from the shaft of the other trans, put them on here, and I think I'm just going to run the stock pulley, although this pulley is pretty rusty, but it's just a pulley. I just want to get it to move and stuff. So, but I think that's what we're gonna do. I want to see what baseline, how fast it goes, what it's capable with a stock pulley, with a regular size pulley, and then go from there. But it's got the zoomy pipes on it now. It's just super loud. I got the aggressive kind of ag tires on the front. Got the four-wheeler tires on the back, because I think I want to set up doing a straight through mud run at some point. And so I wanted to build something that could compete in that. Just kind of not like maybe do an obstacle course too. Just something fun, nothing spectator, just something for anybody that's into this stuff. They can come and test and tune, and we can just have fun, because that'd be cool. Oh, the garden. We're harvesting just about every day. We got a ton of basil, a little bit of rosemary. I mean, we got weeds. We went through the pea stage. The sunflowers are popping up. Right now, we're right in the tomato part of it. We got tomatoes coming every day. Bunch of cabbage. We got squash and zucchini. Had some beans. Good eating. Now back here, I was actually just thinking about hauling this Murray out. That's one that could be saved. I was thinking about just hauling it out and then just kind of reorganizing this over here. It's all the parts machines that we got. I'm just we're getting ready to buy this house. I was trying to clean stuff up, trying to organize what I think I'm gonna need. Doing a little bit of firewood. Got the Massey 8. This is the lawnmower that I learned to drive on right here. That's actually the one that I think that Honda engine is gonna end up on for good. Is on here. It's just going to be a showcase piece, but I want to be able to drive around on it, let the kids drive around on it, but everything is seized up on it, so I don't know. Without having a decent shop to do, have a spot to blow everything apart, you know what I mean, and then be able to walk away from it without anything, moving. It's just hard to get into some of these projects. I do have some bins, but that, and tape and stuff that I can mark stuff out with, but it's still just kind of not the best setup. But that's pretty much it. We don't have much other than that going on. I'm limping around. I hurt my foot again. I'm trying to lose some weight. I've been going for walks morning and night the last several days, and my ankle's not really liking it too much. But the old Honda four-wheeler's in pretty hard shape. But we'll leave you with a little drive on the Panda, the Snow Panda. It's pretty comfy now that I got a seat on it. Starts right up. Goes great. Very capable. I do think I want to weld the rear end maybe. But for now, goes pretty good. Till next time.